Artoonza.
Glitter cartoon pumpkin time, kids. Today, we're drawing the sparkliest, silliest, cutest cartoon pumpkin ever. With black markers, glitter colors, nail polish leaves, and even crazy color injections. Who knew pumpkins needed a beauty makeover? We'll drop, plop, brush, and even vacuum this pumpkin like it's auditioning for a show glow up.
So cute.
By the end, you'll have a pumpkin so sweet, it might just wink at you. Let's make this the most magical, glittery pumpkin drawing ever. Give us your like. Our tiny vacuum is not naughty. It's glitter hungry. Nom, nom, nom. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Drop plop magic. This yellow acrylic color injection is making our cartoon pumpkin glow like it swallowed the sunshine. Color, color, color. Uh-oh! Orange juice attack! These color drops look like the pumpkin is at a spa day.
Aw, so cute.
Nail polish leaves. Yep, our cartoon pumpkin is officially the trendiest veggie in the glitter garden. Give us a big thumbs up. It's sticky, it's shiny, it's adorable. Okay, fine, I love it. Shh, don't tell my mom. This is so amazing. Brush, swoosh, whoosh. Our pumpkin is glowing so bright it might ask for sunglasses. Fashion runway, now accepting vegetables. This pumpkin wants sparkle, not subtle. This orange acrylic color injection is turning our pumpkin into a juicy, glittery superstar. Smash that like button now. From yellow drops to nail polish leaves to orange glow, this glitter cartoon pumpkin is ready for its show runway debut. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.